and welcome to Communion and Mission Sunday here at Grace. We are excited to worship together and glad that you have chosen to be part of today's service. If you are joining us for the first time, we would love to connect with you. After the service, please take a few moments to meet Mr. Amit and Mrs. Shara Masi or Mr. Vijay and Mrs. Neetu Blessed. Now, let's take a moment to look at what's happening this week at Grace. During the week, we have Destiny Fellowships, our small groups here at Grace. These groups are a great way to stay connected, build friendships, grow in your faith, and walk through life together with others. It's a place where we can share, pray, and encourage one another. Whether you're new to Grace or have been part of our church family for a while, we would love for you to be part of a Destiny Fellowship. If you haven't joined a group yet, we encourage you to take that next step. Simply connect with one of our Destiny Fellowship leaders and they'll help you find a group near you where you can get connected and grow together. Join us this Friday at 6:30 p.m. for a time of prayer and worship as we come together as a church family to seek God's presence, lift one another up, and stand together in faith. Whether you need prayer or simply want to join us in believing for God to move, we would love to have you be part of this time of prayer. If you have a prayer request, our prayer and pastoral teams are here to pray with you and support you. You can share your prayer needs with us through Facebook or WhatsApp using the number displayed on your screen. Join us on Saturday, August 15th at 9 a.m. as we come together to celebrate India's Independence Day with a flag hosting ceremony and a special time of prayer. As we honor this day, we will lift up our nation, its leaders, and every person in India, praying for God's wisdom, protection, peace, and blessing. This year, Grace Church celebrates 30 years of God's faithfulness and God's continued work through our church family. To mark this incredible milestone, we are preparing for a special 30th anniversary celebration week from October 8th to 11th. As we look forward to this time of thanksgiving and celebration, we invite everyone to prayerfully partner with us through your time, talents, and financial support. As Mr. Paul William and Mrs. Shalini Mureshwar have shared the details regarding the celebration budget, we encourage you to prayerfully consider how God may lead you to be part of this journey. If you would like to contribute towards the anniversary celebration, please take an offering envelope and designate your giving as 30th anniversary. Together, let's honor God's faithfulness and celebrate all that He has done and continues to do through Grace Church. During today's service, we will partake in communion together. If you are joining us online and would like to participate, kindly have your communion emblems ready as we remember the sacrifice of Jesus. We will also be taking a missions offering, which helps support churches, pastors, and ministries beyond the Grace family. After the service, the Grace Youth Ministry is having a fundraiser. Support the ministry by buying a meal. We'd love to see you again next Sunday at 10 a.m. for another powerful time of worship and the Word, either in person or online, as we continue learning what it means to be transformed for the kingdom. Let's be intentional about inviting others to experience God's presence with us. Be sure to stay connected by following Grace Church on our social media channels, where you will find updates, encouragement, and everything happening in the life of our church. Have a blessed week and may God use you to be light for His kingdom wherever you go.